My name is Vijay Patil. I'm a wildlife biologist at the USGS Alaska Science Center here in Anchorage, Alaska. My research focused on Arctic nesting waterfowl, particularly geese. Their life cycle spans this huge geographic range, and the Arctic, where they come to breed, is changing and warming much faster than the places where they spend their winters. And so it's a challenge for the birds to adapt to the changing conditions throughout the different parts of their range. And as the Arctic is warmed, one of the things that's happening is the permafrost is starting to thaw, which means these coastal areas are eroding and sort of falling into the ocean and also subsiding. At the same time, there's also changes in the timing of snowmelt and when their dry nest sites become available for them to lay their eggs. And again, because they're trying to migrate over these huge distances, there's concern about their ability to keep pace with those changes and to arrive at the Arctic breeding grounds at the correct time, where they can lay their eggs on dry ground and have their chicks hatch when the plants are at their sort of peak. One of the strengths of our project, and one of the reasons we're able to actually see some of these changes on the landscape, is because we use long-term field studies where we're going back year after year. And the other thing that's a huge component of our research, which gives us a lot of insight, is mark recapture studies, where we go and we capture individuals and mark them with a little metal band with a number, and you go back year after year, and that just gives us a wealth of information that we couldn't get with a single site visit. These are managed species that are hunted, and they're an important food resource, both for subsistence hunters in Alaska and for sport hunters throughout the country. And by banning the birds, it's an opportunity for hunters and bird watchers and other folks to get engaged and participate in the science that controls how these birds are managed.